Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the unboxing of the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max 1TB. Without further ado, let us start the video. So this phone cost me $1,599, all paid in full for Computer Science Videos. Let's get into the video and the unboxing. So we have the box from the side, bottom, logo, iPhone on the side, top, logo. On the top of the box, we have the image itself, natural titanium. On the back, we have some information in regards to the specifications. As you know, this is a maxed out iPhone, 1TB. We are looking to use this product for the next, let's just say 5 to 6 years. Henceforth, we go spending big for a larger amount of time. So what I've done for this tutorial is I've taken off the paper straps on the bottom, which will take us some time to unbox. So let's just now lift the lid, put that to the side, and there we have the star of the show, the iPhone itself. We're nicely presented with a beautiful presentation of the phone itself, the cameras, the logo, power on button, volume rockers, and this button itself can be programmed with many features. We will get into that. That's the iPhone, and this is USB Type-C. Finally, Apple bring this to their device. Move that to the side. In the box, we have some instruction manuals. This is for your SIM ejection tool. Apple stickers, put that to the side. And there we have USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Amazing. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.